Okay, guys, it's time to wake up. COVID-19 was never a natural disaster, was never a mistake, was never something that occurred naturally. COVID-19 was made inside a lab. COVID was made intentionally. And the vaccine that they give everyone, the vaccine that was applied like in the whole world to human being, was never a vaccine. It was never meant to cure or stop or protect you. It was meant to destroy one thing, and it was the pineal gland in your brain. Do you know what pineal gland is responsible for? It's responsible for awareness and the third eye. COVID was made in a lab. The vaccine was meant to destroy. It was meant to destroy your brain so that you won't think straight. That's what the vaccine was. I mean, the satanic billionaire, blood drinking and children eating motherfucker have shrunk life to just survive you. I mean, what are we doing here on earth? Life is no longer living. I mean, there's no moment. They've shrunk all this to just survive you. I mean, this system. There's someone called the Rockefellers. These people are the one who introduced this system that we are all trying to escape. I mean the system, it's bad, but let's not go there. Yes, it's bad, but right now the situation that we are now living, I mean, every human being in this earth is not happy. Nobody is happy. Nobody is okay. Everybody is tired. I mean, life has been shrinking into a level where it's just surviving, clocking day in, day out, so that you can survive. I mean, if you look at the perspective of nature and everything in this world, even if you go and observe the animals, they are free. All they have to struggle for and is just to look for food and shelter. Food and shelter, and that's it. Why did a human being came up with all these piled up shit that we have to do so that we can survive? And they lied. They lied that you only become successful by working hard. Man, success is not earned by working hard. There's a bunch of people who sleep and they're still earning. If you think that you're going to make it by working hard, no man, they lied to you. And these 56 countries came up together to sign a treaty to restrict access to the Antarctica. Earth is not flat, they lied. And there's something that is in Antarctica. I'm not going to say it here in this live video. Something very risky. They might come for me. I mean, this whole system is fucked. They say you're going to be born, go to school these years, go to college, go to high school this year, so that you can go to this and this, get a job. And why you need a job? To get money. It's all a system, man. And it's meant to shrink you. It's meant to destroy you. I mean, it's high time we wake up. Wake up, guys. Wake up. If we all decide to not participate, that's how we are going to escape. Escape the matrix, guys. I mean, if COVID was made inside a lab and it was meant to destroy human brains, I mean, these people they think they can do anything they want to every human in this earth. Basically, there was a bunch of people who were hired to supply this vaccine to school And basically, they didn't know even what the fuck they were doing. I mean, basically, I refused. I didn't get the shot. I didn't get any of it. I wish I was a superhero. This blood sucking, children eating motherfuckers who print money from thin air and say that we have to work for 8 hours just for us to get that paper. I mean, if you look at it, they printed it from thin air and they force us to work 8 hours into a level where you've given everything to this system. No time for family, no time for friends, no time even for call. You're always busy. Busy in doing what? You're no longer a human being. You're a robot. Your time is coming. Your time is coming. Every human being on this planet is going to be free. Everyone is going to be free. And you're all going to lose, no matter how powerful you think you are. You might come for me, inject me with a drug where my memory will be fucked and I won't remember, but eventually someone who's going to stand up. And the truth always come out. It will always come out. Your time is coming. These people playing God without permission, thinking they have ability to control us and do anything they think they can. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you guys, I swear. I'm a superhero. I have superpower. I'm a superhero and I have superpower. I can do whatever the fuck I want. And I'm going to start with restoring world peace. This system that you've set up, all this thing that you're adding into food stuff so you can force and control every human being on this planet. I'm coming for you. Earth is free, it's meant to be people live here for free. But right now, what are we doing? Surviving, paying rent, paying food. I mean, life has become inherently ridiculously expensive. Where you're like, there is no even point of living. Like, we're not living, we are surviving. Life is no longer living, it's surviving. This is not how life was meant to be. This is not how God intended Earth to be. And the religion is all a made up story. Religion is the biggest tool that they use to control the masses by lying to you about heaven and earth. This is the truth. Heaven and earth are not physical places that people go when they die. These are mental consciousness. These are mental consciousness that men have accepted to dwell in while being on earth. It was never a physical place. These are conditions of consciousness that men accept to dwell while being here on earth. We need to wake up. There's these people playing God without permission. They think they can do whatever the fuck they want. No. I'm coming for you. I am coming for you. Everyone is going to be free. Life has to go back to where it was. I mean, look at right now, even people can't fall in love because even love is expensive. I mean, life has been coming, has become bad into a level where you're like, it's better than dead. This is going to end. Life is going to go back to how it was. Good, peaceful, happy, trees, nature, natural food. Life is going to be good. Humanity is going to be renewed. Peace, joy is going to be back. The whole world is going to know good, love, joy, and happiness. You have my word. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. and I'll do whatever it takes to restore world peace, everything to how it was. Life need to be good. People don't need to have all this stress, depression and all that. No. I mean, in the Stone Age period, life was even hard. I mean, like life now, life is even more harder than the Stone Age period. It's good in the Stone Age period because you could go and hunt, get killed, and get food. And you could go live under a rock, roast your meat, and be okay. But right now, with all this advanced technology, advanced civilization, with all this knowledge, no. With all this knowledge, advanced civilization, tools and technology, instead of life being easy, it's becoming 3 times harder. No, man, you guys have pushed us rock bottom. You have pushed us into a level where it's not acceptable. You, a few family controlling 8 billion people. We are aware. And your mission was to destroy all of us, so with that we cannot think. You didn't destroy all of us. You are basically controlling 8 billion people. No. Making us like it's a system where the rich get rich and the poor. No. No, this is not how Earth was designed to be. The matrix, the system. Your time is coming. Your time is up. Your time is up.